The Adobe Bridge is a great place to come when you need to compare images to one another. In the case of these clouds, you'll find them inside of the Work Files folder, in a folder called Images, in a folder called Mothership. Now, these images are going to be used later on in an upcoming project at the end of this tutorial. But as you can see, I'm currently in Film Strip workspace, and what I could do is I can hold down the Command or Control key to select the images that I want to add to this preview pane. Likewise, still holding down Command and Control, I can eliminate images as well. I can also drag select in my content panel to add things as well. And I'll click on the blank space to get rid of everybody. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag select these two images of clouds, which appear in the preview. And I can even go to a specific preview workspace if I want to, which kind of moves everything over here and gives me more room to work. So it's up to you. You can use the film strip mode, or you can use the preview mode. So I'm going to use the film strip mode. Now that we have images in here, I'm going to also collapse the entire thing by grabbing the handle on the edge of this panel. And now I have a great area to preview. You may notice, by the way, that the magnifying glass is a tool that we see in the preview panel. But when I click on an image, it turns into what's known as a loupe. I can click on this little pointy guy right here and move it around inside my image to compare the image, and I can see whether or not it has too much distortion, or there's too much blurring, or there's a scar, or anything that I really want to scrutinize. To get rid of this guy, click on the little X at the bottom, and it goes away and turns back into the magnifying glass. Now, another cool thing about the loupe tool is if I click, I can also, with my keyboard, hit the plus key to zoom in. So let me go ahead and hit the plus key, and I can also zoom out. So I'm zooming in and I'm zooming out while the loupe tool is selected. I'm going to go ahead and move over here, and I'm going to go to the edge, and as you see, it flips around. Okay, I'm going to close the loupe tool now, and I'm going to go to the other image and continue my comparison to see which one I want to use in my document. Let me zoom out a little bit as well, a little bit too zoomed in there. And once again, it's a great way to put images side by side so you can really scrutinize them to see which ones you want to use in an upcoming project. The loupe tool is going to be available whenever you see the magnifying glass. Simply click and drag with the tool, and then you can grab the little pointy end of the loupe, move it around in your document, and when you want to get rid of it, click on the X, and that will close it.